It's going down. ¿Listo? Estamos listo también. All right, it's going down. The guys are here, and I don't know if you can tell what's going on, but we got a 4-post lift for the shop because we have a ton of boxes, a lot of work, because we appreciate all the support. We've been getting a lot of pallets and a lot of stuff in the warehouse, so we've been unable to keep some of our cars inside because we don't have enough space. Andy's FC is still being worked on. The Evo's been sitting out here. Josh needs to get the E30 up and running, which he's gonna do really soon. So in the meantime, we got the 4-post lift right here. We're gonna install it so that the Evo can be up there and the FC can also be up there. And we're gonna clear it all out and get it going. Let's get it. All right, y'all, it's going down. The install techs are here, and we got the 4-post lift right here going into the All Aspects HQ. It's your boy, All Aspects Jerm, with my boy, E30 gang. Andy's back there, Jason's back there. Oh, they got the crane and the 4-post lift. The BendPak 9,000 pound capacity 4-post lift is going right back here. Let's get it. Hey Josh, you hyped?
Yeah, dude, look at the GoPro.
Jeez.
You think it's gonna fall?
No? Are you hyped we got a GoPro 2 in the mix?
It's on juice.
I know. Are you happy that we got it, dude? You can do 6 cineas. Are we time lapsing?
Time lapse,
Dude, but this. Oh. Be very careful. Oh god, that's too close for comfort. Yeah. Hey, be careful, Josh.
Oh! No, wait. That's why you gotta push that side.
Let's go.
So you talked to the master technician, so tell me what's going on.
All right, well we're gonna try and make it as space efficient as possible.
Okay.
So we're gonna go 6 feet out from this wall, so it's kind of flush with that little indent right there.
All right.
And then just 5 feet off from this wall, so we'll have at least a little bit of space to walk around. Because we still have to organize everything, which we failed to do beforehand. So we're gonna do it after the lift is in. But
all right. So what's the problem with this car? Are we gonna leave it right here, or are we gonna put it out there?
ask Andy. I don't know.
So they're gonna assemble it, reassemble it, throw it on dolly, so they'll be able to like push it over to the corner, and then we're gonna have to slide it through the side.
All right, for sure.
Let's go. The BendPak 4 lift post. Finally, the Evo is gonna be inside. Thank God. Oh, look at that quality right here. BendPak 4 bucks. Got the cables. Woo. The crane.
Alright guys, we just got the lift installed and we're gonna test fit by putting the Evo up on the lift. Hello?
Finally, we're getting the Evo inside because it's been getting freaking all this sun damage on my damn fresh paint. I've been getting so many damn boxes delivered, but it's going inside now, thank the Lord. Can you guide me? Come guide me, guide me.
Andy is gonna guide you. Are you gonna go, why don't you go forward? What is that squeak, dude? Straighten it out. Go, turn your wheel left, turn your wheel left. Stop. Turn your car to the right. And then go out, go forward, a little, just a little. Stop, stop. Straight enough. Straight, straight. Let's go.
We good?
Yeah. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Stop, 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 stop. Oh, you're Gucci. You're good, you're good.
Stop or further back?
Have to go further back or no?
It's good enough. Oh yeah. We got the Evo on the lift, Jason.
Hi.
Yeah? How high for it? Just the camera. Okay. Here's the man behind the Evo.
Let's
Tell
go.
me how you feel about the new lift with the Evo going.
Honestly, just want to give a shout out to Mom. You always believed in me that I was gonna get a car I wanted one day and a lift. You did it, Mom. And we're not selling drugs either.
Hell yeah. We're buying crypto, boys. Let's go!
How you feeling about the lip, brother?
I'm
Oh,
hyped.
you have to put it down first.
I'm hyped. Honestly, the Evo has been sitting outside for like the past 2 months
But for now,
because we've been really busy. We've had a lot of boxes, so it's good problems. But now we got a baller solution. Shout out to BendPak for all the shit.
All right, quick segment of driver's side. What are you running under? Let us know. Let us know.
I'm gonna do a full electric swap and putting a Tesla battery underneath it. So I'm gonna take out all John's custom fabrication of my exhaust and downpipe and mid-pipe and rotated turbo setup. So I'm just thinking Tesla gang. You hear that, John? Don't hook him up.
On these heights. Happy birthday.
no, best birthday gift ever. Thanks, Jerm.
It's actually Josh's birthday. So I have to get him a gift. Yo, Josh, this is your birthday gift, just so you know.
Damn, straight hype. Just kidding, that's probably the resonator. Then we got the muffler over here.
Alright guys, we got the 4-post lift installed. Super stoked. Thanks, Jerm, for surprising me for my birthday. Sick
Dude,
ass
it's
gift.
for both of our birthdays.
Woo, fire. But yeah, it's so much more convenient having both the cars in the same spot. Super stoked on the setup. Dream come true for us. Thanks, Jason, for making it happen. We're stoked as fuck. Yo, too many more times working on all our cars. Super excited, guys. Thanks for all the support. Making moves over here. About to do way more installs. So much easier. Ooh, I can't wait. Much love, guys. Peace out.